So the bait I'm using with the Brutus is the Z-Man chatterbait right there, but I think any bladed jig will work with this rod and reel combo. The Brutus, it come through. Check it out. Little guy, but you know what? At least it's not a skunk. Caught it on a chatterbait. So this is the Brutus. This is a combo, a rod and reel combo, just so you know. It is a two-piece rod. You get an extra tip with it. It's this one right here. I got mine in a medium fast action. See the bend in the tip right here. So that's always good that you get a spare tip with each one of your rods. I'm not gonna be using that right now. Let's take it down here and let's do some casting with this thing, because I've already used it a little bit and I was very impressed with it. This is how I do mine. Loosen it up. Make sure you don't twist it. The braid that I'm running on here is the KastKing braid. Now let's just do some quick adjustments. When I first get my bait casters in, one thing I'm gonna do is the tension knob right here. Watch the bait. See that? Tighten that tension knob up. It doesn't wanna fall when it's super tight. See that? Now watch. See, it's very slow. I like to go about right there. Okay, now it does have the brakes on this side. This one actually goes from free all the way to max, and it looks like it has 12 settings. Let's start out on 0, or actually let's just go free and see if it backlashes on us. This is the drag. Good star drag pattern right there. Yeah, see, I didn't use my thumb there, so it does. You want to use those brakes, everybody. I can already tell. Oh, that's better. 8 is money for a chatterbait. I can already feel it. Not bad. Has a nice feel to it. Now, it doesn't compete with my MGTI, but you know what? Just feeling of it like this feels pretty good. I like the way this rod feels, that's for sure. Let's walk on down a little bit and do some castings more out in the deeper water. Yeah, that feels pretty good. You guys see that? Let's see what kind of distance we can get on this. Let's go a little looser. That was a pretty good distance. That was probably about 50 yards. Once you get it dialed in, I think it's a good solid rod. Looking over the rod, you can see the butt tip there. It's very nice and shiny. It's got that red right there on it. The eyelets all look pretty good. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Now this river actually doesn't produce much fish. It's been pretty polluted, but you know what? I wanted to come down here and try it out anyway and see if we could catch something with the Brutus. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with this Brutus at all. It's very lightweight, has a nice feel to it. I'll throw the gear ratio up and all the specs on there. It has a hook keeper on the handle here, so I always like seeing that hook keeper there. It feels like it's a great mid-level rod and reel combo for anyone that's just wanting to get their first bait caster. I don't think it's on par with the MGTI, but it definitely is a great kind of first bait caster combo for just your average angler out there that's just looking for something quick and easy that's affordable and does the job. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the KastKing Brutus. See you all in the next video.